Good morning or good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the channel if you are new to it. My name is Pauly, your special host. Today is going to be an interesting day. It was supposed to rain heavily, but it's not. I was puking and on the toilet. I was super sick this morning because I must have ate something weird, but no fever. So that's a good sign. I'm in the middle of nowhere right now, but me and my friend Jimmy over here are heading to the Gold Falls. So yeah, let's get to it. So we just got here after falling many of times. He is ready to dig. I'm ready to dig and detect. And in a little bit, I'm gonna go journey off downstream to what I call the slip and die to do some detecting because I haven't detected over there yet and I feel like it would be a good idea. Let's begin. First pan, a couple specks. It's definitely worth a sniff.
Pioneer Pauly working his magic.
Second pan, barely visible. That's okay, it's still worth a sniff. I'll keep going. Yeah. So the area that I am digging in right now, I know for a fact is virgin ground. I know this because the rock that I'm finding is just packed in there with all this clay and mud, and I'm hitting a big root system. And another reason how I know that is virgin ground is because I'm finding way chunkier bits. That's a nice picker. Yes, sir. I love finding them nice and chunky. I mean, who doesn't? Let's find some more. I'm going to show you the area. See, the falls is obviously right there, and behind this big rock there's some nice outcropping of bedrock, which I also want to detect, but I was just over there checking it out and I could barely hear the headphones, so maybe during the summer I'll go check that out. It's a nice stream. The sun is coming out, which is awesome. It makes the slip and die a lot more friendly. Okay. Tried another shovel and I have 3 little pieces in there. So I'm gonna continue this hole until it peters off, and then we're gonna go check out the slip and die. How you making out?
Oh, I'm doing.
You're doing?
We're doing.
We're doing. We're doing.
We're doing.
So we are almost at the slip and die now. There you are.
Been there and done that once.
Almost there. I'm gonna see if I can keep the camera on while I move through this vegetation. Ah, come on. So down there is a slip and die, or technically up here, because if you slip you will die.
It would definitely hurt.
Yeah, it wouldn't feel very good. I would recommend going backwards so you don't fall on your face. Yeah, just throw them. Perfect! No, not that bad. We are here! The beautiful slip and die. Woo. Let's not die today.
That was great.
Okay. Now that I am here, I'm gonna do what I've always wanted to do here, and that's detect with the gold bug 2. Cover some of this bedrock. I might try out the bedrock in the water here, do some digging. I don't know. Let's get to it! Love to explore further down there, but that's somebody's claim, and I know that because I know the guy. Some chunky bits anyway. The gold is always nice and lellow, so that's good. I'm still finding gold. Anything in there? It has been about an hour. I've moved a little bit upstream from where I was. I like this area because of all the big rocks on top of bedrock. When I first discovered this area, I noticed that the gold here was really, really nice. And this place is really hard to get to, so not a lot of people come over here. You find something?
A couple little micros in the top of there.
Oh, I see. Yeah, yeah. Sweet. So, I'm going to dig right here, but I'm going to have to move that rock. It's moving. Right here would be a good spot because the low pressure zone all these big rocks are creating. And gold likes low pressure. Not high pressure, low pressure. There you go. You got some good dirt.
That's some good dirt.
Some good dirt.
That's some good dirt down there. Pioneer Pauly. Brought to you by Budweiser. Put that on YouTube, maybe you'll get sponsored.
What?
Get a little shout out to Budweiser for you.
Now they're gonna sue us.
Please don't sue him, Budweiser.
Oh, I found a rock.
Right on.
Oh yeah. Woo!
Paul's been doing this since the gold rush started.
I started the gold rush.
That's right. Just called you Gold Rush Paul.
Yeah.
Got specks all through there, eh? Oh, there's a nice piece right there.
Yeah, there we go.
Color.
There we go.
Color all through there.
Cut out through there. So another pan out of that hole. And then I got about 4, maybe 5 colors. That's good. This is my best pan of the day, minus that picker. A lot of little colors. All sorts of them. I'm gonna keep digging. Piece right on top. Oh yeah.
That's the good
So we are not gonna stay much longer. I still feel like from this morning, and his back is sore and my back is getting pretty sore too. Still finding gold. I do like this hole. I'm gonna do one more pan and then we're gonna call her a day. Was that last pan worth it? Yeah, I'd say so. All right. Okay, so that is it for us today. I'll see you when I get home.
G'day guys, wrong channel.
Sorry, wrong finger. Here is the gold. Yeah, that wasn't a terrible day at all. I got that nice rusty piece. Time to dry it up and see the weight. The wait is over. Come on. Those guys don't want to move. All right, I'm gonna tear. Let's see. .24. That's awesome, I guess. I like that. It's better than .23. So there you have it. 0.24 grams of gold from Gold Falls. I absolutely love filming that location because where it is, it's hard to get to, and not a lot of people even know about that spot, of how beautiful the whole area is with all those waterfalls and trickling trees. It's such an awesome place. And because of how rough and coarse that gold can be. If you enjoyed this video, chances are you will enjoy what I have previously posted and what's actually coming up ahead. But if you did like this video, I want to know, so please let me know by giving a thumbs up, share, or subscribe if you will. Your subscriptions nor comments never go unnoticed because I read everything. So thank you for watching, and until next time, I'll see you later.